Animals can be classified as specialists or generalists with respect to diet and habitat selection. Which of the following organisms belong to the specialist category? So, generalist and specialist species are generally defined based on their diet and their habitat. A generalist species is the one that can eat a variety of food and thrive in range of habitat, while specialists are the ones that have a very limited diet and stricter habitat requirement. So, if you look at the graphs of their niches, uh, as you can see here, the one on the left, which is of the color red, signifies the specialist species, which has a very narrow niche, while on the right, the blue graph is for the generalist species, which has a broader niche. And there is a very little region of niche overlap between these two type of species. Now, coming to the question here, the four animals mentioned are the raccoon, panda, koala, and polar bear. Out of these, raccoon is an example of a generalist species. They can live in wide variety of environment, including forest, mountain, large cities, which they do throughout North America. And by diet, they are omnivores and they can feast on everything ranging from fruit and nut to insect, frog, and eggs. Next, we have panda. So, pandas are also actually the perfect example for a specialist animal as they have a very particular habitat in which they live, and their diet specifically includes of bamboo only. Next is koala. So koalas again are example of specialist species. These are native to Australia and they are herbivorous marsupials that feed only on the leaves of eucalyptus tree. The next one is polar bear, which are mainly found in Antarctica, and they feed the diet mostly consists of seeds. So, based on this discussion that we had just had, the answer to this question consists of panda, polar bear, and koala bear based on their diet and the habitat requirement that we have just discussed. To know more about wildlife ecology in general, you can refer to this course offered by NPTEL.